Hello! In this video, we will explain what promotional messages are, what is the use of your subscribers list, and how each one of these work. This is the 11th lesson of how to create a chatbot series. In order to use these subscriber messages, you need to have a subscriber list ready. There are three types of subscriber messages: broadcast, schedule, and autosequence. Let's go to broadcast messages first. Broadcast messages can be sent to your Messenger users only, and you can send these messages to any user list that you have created. So let's select a user segment from the dropdown. Then type a bot response. This will be a simple response from your bot when they receive the broadcast. Select user attributes if you want to, or choose any other type of message like media blocks or plugins. If you have followed our user segments video already, you must have learned to create test users. If not, click here and watch it first. Moreover, if you want to check out what your broadcast looks like, you can send it to a test user and then make any relevant changes. So, let's send a test broadcast to my user and see how the message looks on the other end. Not too bad. Now, let's add a media block instead of a simple text response. Send the test broadcast and see what it looks like. Cool! Let's go back and try plugins in the bot response type. I'm going to trigger a form as my broadcast message. Sending it to test user, awesome. Now, let's move ahead to schedule messaging. I don't have any scheduled messages, so I'm going to hit the button to create one. Schedule messages can be sent as reminders and in out-of-office messages to users when need be, or holiday greetings, etc. You can choose specific days on which you want to send these schedules. And you can also choose a time for your scheduled messages. Again, you need to select a segment that you created for a specific type of users or a bulk list depending on your preference. Type a bot response. Choose user attributes if and where needed and schedule this message for your selected list. Alternatively, you can choose media blocks and plugins instead of a simple bot response if you want to redirect your users to that specific flow. Let's move on to auto sequences now. Click on Create a New Sequence. Choosing a relevant name for my auto sequence and selecting when I want to trigger the sequence in my user and bot conversation. I'm choosing a form here and then typing my bot response that I want to send my users. Now I will choose when I want to send this auto sequence message. For example, here I am choosing a day. You can choose a desired duration, choosing a simple response type as my sequence type. But you can also select a story or trigger a media block from the template option if you want to. Once done, click Save to set up the sequence. You can edit your sequence whenever you want and even remove it if it's no longer needed. And that is all for this video. Make sure to check out the other videos associated with this lesson so you can become a pro at using our platform. Have a great day.